Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in AutoCAD. In this tutorial, we are going to draw the orthographic view of this 3D model. Orthographic view is nothing but representing the 3D model into a 2D views. In this 3D model, this one is the front side we are viewing it. So we'll draw this front view by seeing from the top side whatever the sketch will see, that will drawing as a top view. By seeing in the right side whatever the drawing you can see, whatever the features you can see, that is we are going to draw. First we'll see how to model this orthographic view. This is the small example of orthographic view. This is the 3D model. The same model we are going to represent as a 2D views. This green color arrow is the front view. Now we are going to draw this. This is the front view. This drawing we are going to draw. By seeing from the top side, we'll see only these two views. These two sketch only we are going to draw from the top view. Right side view, we are going to draw it in the left side of the model, front view. The same way we are going to model for this sketch also. Now we'll learn how to model this orthographic view of this model. For that, first go to the AutoCAD, go to New. Now we are in the AutoCAD software. Yes, this is our drawing. For easy drawing, I'm just keeping left side our model and right side in software. First, we are seeing this model from the front view. By seeing the front view, we'll see only this sketch. Now we'll draw this front view. To start this any model, first you specify the units. Just type unit and enter. Here it is decimal only. Here you choose 0. Here we need to choose millimeter. Say OK. Then we need to specify the drawing sheet by using a limit command. Just type limit, enter. 0, 0. Just enter. Upper right corner we just specify little more size. I'm just specifying as 500, 500. Then Z, enter. A8. Now we have set everything. Now we can start drawing it. This one is the front view. This is the 3D model. As I have explained previously, we are going to represent this 3D model into 2D views. One is the front view, another one is top view, then right side view. The right side view we are going to draw it as a left side. First we will start with this front view. Take a line. Start from any location. I am just going to start from this point as a line. This is showing an inclined line. Switch on this ortho mode by pressing a F8. The length of this line is 100. 100, enter. Then vertical height is 75. Here you can see 75. 75, enter. Then this face we can see this length is 20. 20, enter. Then this height we need to specify, that is 25. 25, enter. Again 20, enter. 25, enter. 20, enter. 25, enter. 20, enter. 25, enter. Again 20, enter. Now see, now we can close the sketch. Right click, cancel. Now we have drawn the front view. Then we'll draw the top view. By seeing from the top, you can see this face, this bottom face, this face, this face and this face. All faces are rectangle we need to draw. To start the top view has to be drawn straight top from the front view. I'm just starting from representing here. Vertical length is 60 and this length is 20 and this height is also be at 60. This is again 20, 60, 20, 60, 20, 60, 20, 60. Now we can close the sketch, cancel it. Now just take a line again. This also just make it close. Again take it line, close it. Take a line again, close. Take a line again, just close. See, this is the front view. By seeing from top, this top view will look like this. This view is this one, and this top side surface is this one. This bottom surface is this one, and this top surface is this one. That way we can see only 6 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have drawn this top view little bottom, just move the sketch. Just select this one. This is the move option. Just select it word and first point, and you can just simply keep it here. Then we can go for the right side view. By seeing from the right side, you can see only this rectangle. Just take a line from here, just move it somewhere here. This is our right side view. We need to dot the left side. Simply we can take a reference from here, and this width is 60, and again go for here and close. Right click and cancel. So this is the left side. This edge we cannot see. That edge we can represent as a dotted line also. This point, this simply we can from here to here. Control Z. Here is it. The perpendicular it will show. It's not showing. Then just go here. Here there is an option called perpendicular option. Just switch on it. Now just move it. The perpendicular also will show. Just cancel it. So now we have completely drawn our views. This one is the front view. By seeing from here, we can see only this face. From top view, we can see this one. And side view is this one. Now we have created the orthographic view. Then we'll specify the dimension. For that, just go here. Linear dimension. From here to here, which is, see, 100 mm. That is not showing now. For we need to specify the properties using a command called dim style. Dim STY. Enter. Modify. Symbols and all you just make it 4. Text also make it 4. Primary units also we just make it this 0. Just say OK and close. Now we can see the dimension properly. So this one is 100. Similarly, take a linear dimension from this point to this point, which is 60, and just go here. This dimension is 20, and again take a linear dimension. This also be 20. All are 20 only. Similarly, we can specify the dimension here also. This height is 75, and this width need not to be specified. The same height we can take it from here and just go the dimension, and this height we can specify, which is 25. This dimension need not to specify. The dimension we can take it from here. This 2 dimension is enough. Now here, just go here. This height 75. This dimension also you need not to specify here. We can simply specify in this side view. Take a dimension. This dimension is 25. This is enough. This dimension are enough to draw this 3D model. Now this line is a hidden line. To modify the property of this hidden line, just go for the by layer, others, load. Here there is an option called hidden line. Just take the hidden, just say OK, then OK. Now just select this line, simply just go for the by layer, choose hidden, then escape. Now you can see this is the hidden line. This way we can modify it. Now we have created this top view, front view, top view and side view. Now we need to name it. To create the name, just go for the text, multi-text. Simply create one box here. Here we can type, which is this one is a front view, and just click it here. The size is very small, you can see. Just double click again. Just select this one. Here we just specify the size as a 5. Just enter it. Just click it here. You can see the front view is coming. Just simply we just select it and just move your cursor. This object will get moved. Just place it here. This one is the front view. Then same way we just want to name here also. Just select the sketch, the letters, Ctrl C. The letter will get copied. Then go for Ctrl V. Then place it here. Similarly go for Ctrl V. Then place it here. Now we just want to modify the name only. This one is the top view. Simply you just change this front into top. You will get top view. Similarly this just change it, right click and change this into a right side view. RIGHT, right side view. That's it. This is, we can keep it like same height. This also we can keep it here. Now for this 3D model, we have represented into a 2D drawings. So this is the orthographic view. In this tutorial, we have learned how to convert this 3D model into 2D drawings. In next tutorial, we will come up with a new model of orthographic view. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.